Alligator is more lazy or Yashita is more lazy?
Then
Alligator.
Yashita said Yashita is better than
Alligator. Comes here.
So as you can see, our water level is about 4 to 5 feet right now.
Crocodile salt water, fresh water. Alligator only fresh. All the green, it is the Everglades.
Good morning from a very sunny day in Miami. It is currently day 3. Today we're going to go to the Everglades tour where we are going to seeing a bunch of alligators, and I honestly wasn't interested in it because mom and dad had already done it, but they like it so much that they're like, you have to do it and things like that. But also the fact that we have paid for it, that's the only reason I am even considering going on it, and have woken a literal 6:50 on a vacation to go do a touristy thing. The sun is just rising above me, and so I'm preparing myself for it when it's fully risen, because I don't have any other like an umbrella or anything, so this is my best bet at not getting burnt, because the sun was pretty sharp yesterday and the sunset was gorgeous if you saw the last vlog. But I hope this one is as good as well. I'm just getting as much content for YouTube because I really want a vlog from every day of the trip, and also for anyone planning a trip to know how better to plan it and how to choose which activities to do and not. And I personally, like, I know everyone's like, oh, New York's the best and things like that, but we were staying in a very touristy area, which is why I don't personally feel like I'm in love with New York yet. It'll take me like a bit, but yeah. See you in...
This is Miami. With alligator today? I think so, because the weather is great and it's mating season. They do reproduce. But Grove South, salty water, and you have Big Cypress. Big Cypress Reservation, which is in the middle, okay? All of the green that you see right here, guys, all the green, it is the Everglades. Miami, that's what it is. They built the city on top, they built the city of Miami on top of the Everglades. That's what you see here used to be also here. It was a crocodile. Do you know the difference? Anybody? It is the size of my thumb. Adult alligator. Very tiny, okay? It is not a cat. It is not your dog. You might love them. That's cool. Smaller than the crocodile stiff. Crocodile stiff is way bigger. No tongue, only fresh. If he find himself into the salt, which is possible, sometimes they lose themselves out and doesn't find his way back into the fresh water.
We've arrived at the Everglades. It's called a long river and a grass of long river, and that's trying to lure the peacock. Trust me and my raspberries on every single trip ever. No, I don't know.
खाना अलाउड देना नहीं।
बेटे को खिलाया मुझे नहीं खिलाया। अच्छा, बेटे को भी खिलाया। फोटो खींचा जाएगा प्लीज, एक बार कवर करके कहीं साइड में नीचे रख। This is one of the boats. ओपन है। और वो था एक एवरग्लेड्स का, वो था चलाने का विंडमिल ऐसे ना।
साइड में बैठोगे तो मजा आएगा। चलो उसके ऊपर बैठ गई वो.
Try that one more time. I know y'all in this group. If you can hear me, make some noise.
Yes, I do.
Alright, maybe one of them around here. They like to eat more like the alligators. Alright, if you see it on the left side, so
Goosebumps दिख रहा है, मम्मी की नाड़ियाँ दिख रही है.
They look like little black. Pretty big one. You can see it. Come 6 feet above water as well. To show you a better example on the end of the trail, but just so to give you an idea where we at right now, we're very low, so sometimes gotta hit the gas as well. If we get stuck, we don't need that. It look like a little head up top, that's an alligator as well. But just simple fast spot.
Alligator. Alligator is more lazy or Yashita is more lazy?
And if you can see the wave, that's why the gator don't like it. Look at the gator over there in the wave.
Alligator.
He only stay because he's closer to the surface. Most time.
Yashita तेरे पास आने की कोशिश कर.
He's sleeping.
हाँ पूरा निकल. और लगता शुभम जैसा मतलब हरकतें ही Yashita करती है.
Jessica is better than
Alligator.
alligator है ना. Arms here. Jessica, arms.
Alright, you should get a good shot. Slow it down a little bit. This one says, see you later, alligator, and we're gonna keep on moving. That's the biggest thing on me. They're not there around them, we don't do nothing, just chilling. So that's what they.
Now we go to the alligator pool.
Everybody for the show. How was the airboat ride? Good? Nice, cool. You guys see any? It's kind of random whatever you see out there. It's like, but that's what's so interesting about it. Like I said, you guys came during an interesting time. I think it's interesting. What do I know? I'm barefoot in a sand pit, but you know. But just something I like explaining. But before we get started with the show, there's a couple things I want to go over. Just I'm gonna have a hard time getting her in the water at this angle.
So the alligator's name is Fahrenheit.
Can I get you in the water, sweet girl? Fahrenheit's a little bit nervous of an alligator, so I try to use her for the first show. I notice she tends to be a little bit calmer. So it's not so stressful for her. Stumpy, I'm gonna need you to move, kid. I'm gonna need you. Right in the middle, kid, right in the middle. Come on. More than Fahrenheit. Doesn't that mean anything to you? Can I get you to back up, sweet boy? You're good. Thank you, sweet boy. We're good here. So, this will give me time to take out leather or rope, do a couple wraps, tie a knot, and have a little to no throat opening, an oversized palatal valve or glottis that actually allows him to capture his prey underwater without drowning. Usually, like we're...
Mom and Dad are being gutsy and taking a picture with the alligator, like a real life one. And oh my god, that's scary. Oh my god, that's scary. Oh, I have to pay $10 for a picture. I'm recording the vlog. Mom is.
Nice.
My god.
Nice.
Gutsy, yaar. Very gutsy.
Nice. No.
Hey, yaar. Kya hasse ho? See you later, alligator.